L'obscurité est ce que j'ai toujours connu. Il n'y a pas un jour de ma vie où je me rappelle avoir ressenti de la joie. Il n'y a plus aucun espoir, mais de temps à autre, je me demande ce que je pourrais faire pour changer les choses.
Ce café est noir, comme mon âme.
Très poétique, Jean.
En effet, salé. Ma chère mère est morte hier soir. Elle avait une tumeur au cerveau. Mais ce n'est rien comparé à la souffrance que je ressens à être sur cette terre mal peuplée.
Jean, mon amour, n'as-tu jamais eu envie que le monde soit plus coloré?
Que sous-entends-tu par là?
Je veux dire, regarde autour de toi. Ne ressens-tu pas quelque chose d'éteint?
Tu veux dire que nous sommes mercredi?
Oui, bien sûr. J'ai l'impression que... Comment dire? Que les choses me tombent dessus.
Je suppose que c'est ainsi que la vie est faite. Camus avait dit « Tu ne vivras jamais réellement si tu essaies de tuer ».
Tu sais exactement ce que je veux dire. Je n'aurais pas de vie tant que cette situation ne fait pas de sens.
L'homme est la seule créature qui refuse d'être qui il est.
Tu vois ce que je veux dire? Tu ne te demandes pas pourquoi.
C'est un cas très particulier.
Pourquoi on est là? Ça vient d'où? Quelque chose n'est pas normal. Je le sens. Je ne demande pas pourquoi.
Il faut souffrir. La souffrance mène à trouver un sens.
Ça n'a aucun sens. On se téléporte? On est somnambule? Non, on n'est pas, mais comme par hasard, on arrête ici.
Magnifique.
Tu es content de ça? Tu es content?
Eh bien, j'ai mon café, j'ai tout ce qu'il me faut.
C'est ridicule. Tout ça, c'est ridicule. Ça n'a aucun sens. On n'a pas besoin de se téléporter comme ça. Toi, pourquoi tu portes ce chapeau ridicule? And why are we even talking in French? I'm from Kildare, for fuck's sake. I can't take this any longer.
How did you do that?
See? Can't change things if you stop accepting the way it is.
Cut! What is she doing? She can't be doing this.
I didn't write this.
Did you not hear what I said? Get back to your starting positions now. I can't believe we're going through this all again. This is what you get when you hire amateurs.
Check.
Ce café est noir. Comme... Haven't we been through this already?
Not again. I can't believe I was stupid enough to think that I could change things. At the end of the day, it's all just pointless. Just when we're getting somewhere.
Camus once said, the only way to deal with an unfree world is to be so completely free that your own existence is an act of rebellion.
That actually makes a lot of sense. I can't give up just now. I keep trying again and again and again, and let them come from me. Come on now, we've got to fix this.
When I look at my life and I see its colors, I feel like bursting into tears.
Stop that! Emile is not like that. She's kind, sensitive, has a personality. She's here to support Sean and his character growth. She doesn't have a personality beyond that.
Sorry? What the fuck are you talking about?
You're fired! You completely missed the point of the character.
I say, you don't get to decide how I should act or what gets to happen to me.
Well, if you're gonna be like that again,
No!
we've been through this
You
shit
don't
already.
get to talk like you're the one in charge of me, of my life!
Well, I've got some news for you. I run this whole thing.
That's the old thing you do. Piss off!
Wait till my agent hears about this.
What's the other guy?
Please don't hurt me. Okay, yes, I did write it, okay? But it was a paid gig, I swear. Okay, look, I know nothing about French modernism or any of those other philosophical quotes they asked me to use.
Yeah, I'd like to have a word with you. You completely missed Camus' work.
Could I take a look? So,
How am I supposed to pay my bills now?
not my problem. Now scram!
So what now?
I think it's time to start writing our own story.
Always go too far, because that's where you'll find the truth.
You should really pick up another book for a start.